step into the spotlight. It's your time to shine. On December 6, 2025, Enugu State becomes the runway of dreams as international runway mentor Agnes Wade hosts a power-packed 3-hour masterclass that will supercharge your confidence, transform your work, and unleash your stage power. Here's what you'll master: signature poses that command attention, a runway work that oozes elegance and authority, the art of telling your story without saying a word, a winning mindset that radiates professionalism and strength. Who's it for? Absolute beginners, rising stars, and seasoned showstoppers, ages 10 to 65 plus, tall or petite. The runway has no limits. Your VIP perks include a personalized certificate of participation, exclusive luxury giveaways, a spotlight feature on Agnes Wade's official platforms, and an exclusive casting call for an upcoming Nollywood blockbuster. No matter where you're coming from in Nigeria, the runway is calling you. Secure your place now at www.agneswadeofficial.com. Ensure to scan the barcode. Seats are limited. Dreams are not. Don't just walk the runway. Own it.